What's up, YouTube? This is Keith coming at you with a Tri-Brigade Bird DPE deck profile. Your meta Yu-Gi-Oh! Always coming at you with new vids. Okay, you got your Tri-Brigade lineup. 3 Fractal, 3 Nerval, 3 Kit, 2 Kuros, your Bird Engine, 3 Wobbler, 1 Cobalt Sparrow. Onto the hand traps, 2 Nibiru, 3 Ash Blossom, Dpe package, 1 Crow. Onto the spells, 1 for 1, Tenki, Called by the Grave, Monster Reborn, Foolish, Fusion Destiny, 3 Bird Call, 3 Chalice. Onto the traps, 1 Revolt, 3 Imperm. Here's the extra deck, 1 Verte, 1 Appaloosa, 1 Doom Eagle, 1 Silver Sheller, 1 Rampager, 1 Baron Blossom, 1 Zeus, 1 Nightingale, 1 Solomon Great, 1 Axis Code Talker, 1 Double Dragon's Lord, DP, 3 Almond. I like 3 Almond. 2 Baron Blossoms really doesn't do you anything. Almond is a great board clearer. Here's my side deck. The 3rd Nibiru, 2 Effect Veiler, 2 Lancia, 3 Ghost Spell, 3 Regeki, 1 Harpy's Feather Storm, Harpy's Feather Duster, 3 Dimensional Barrier.